Hey guys, and welcome back to No Coffee Needed. I'm Chad, right here in the heart of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and we are so excited that you are joining us today. And if you haven't already, guys, we would greatly appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts if you'd go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Guys, if you've already subscribed, you give us a big thumbs up, make some comments down below, ring that little bell so you don't ever miss out on anything we got coming to you from right here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, from the kitchen and No Coffee Needed. And guys, we have got a great, quick, simple, easy supper recipe for you today. I'm telling you, it's so simple. You can make it kind of ahead of time. But anyway, we got that pellet grill cranked up, 400 degrees. We just cut it on. She'll be at 400 degrees when we get ready to go put this on the pit boss. But guys, I'm telling you, this is real easy, real simple, just a couple of quick ingredients. That's all it takes. It's just a couple of ingredients. We've got some hamburger patties that we made up last night. Gonna need a few onions, a couple of potatoes, some mustard, and then we've got the 3-peat seasoning. Guys, that's what we're using. So we're gonna season those burgers with. But guys, what I wanna do first is I wanna go ahead and get these potatoes peeled. Gonna slice these up. Gonna get these onions sliced up. You can get these onions sliced up. You can tell we've already made the hamburger patties. We got them seasoned on one side. You're just gonna go ahead and season this side. We'll go ahead and do that. Set these to the side right quick. Then we'll start getting these onions sliced up, ready to go on top of those burgers. And I'm telling you guys, it will take a lot of mustard. So make sure you got plenty of mustard. You can use spicy mustard if you want to. And I use a lot more onion than I do potatoes on mine. Sandy likes a lot of potatoes and less onion on hers. So hers will have more potato than onion. Mine will definitely have more onion than potato. But guys, let's get them started. All right, guys, we got the potatoes sliced up. What we did is we cut these potatoes into about 1/4 inch slices, and you can see we did it lengthwise and not short ways. That's the best way to do the potatoes. And the onions, we did the same thing, the same thickness. We cut our onions, you can see about 1/4 inch thick. So what we're doing is we're taking tinfoil, putting it down, laying the patty down, already seasoned, both sides, put it right there. I did get some extra mustard out, just in case. This one isn't full, but I promise you it takes a lot of mustard, so I wanted to make sure that I had enough and wasn't gonna run out. Mustard, potato, potato. Mustard, a little bit of seasoning. Onion, onion, mustard, just a tad bit of seasoning, potato, potato, want to slide off, a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of mustard, onion, onion, mustard, just a little bit of seasoning. You're wrapping her up. Want to slide out of there. All right, guys. Just like that. In the oven, on the pit boss, on your grill, whatever, 400 degrees. Let's finish them up. Guys, we got them on the rack, on our pan. Let's go get them on the pit boss. All right, guys, got them ready. Pit boss is ready. Throwing them on there, 400 degrees. 45 minutes, we'll check them. They should be ready in no more than an hour. All right, guys, we'll go taste test them in a little bit. Hey guys, you never gonna believe this. I got everything on the pit boss. She got up to 400 degrees, and then when I went outside to check on it about 15 minutes later, the pit boss quit working and it had dropped to 130 degrees. I don't know if you ever saw the video where I repaired it. I did some maintenance work on it. I have used that pit boss about 6 times since that video since we recorded that video, and it has worked great without a flaw. So I don't know what's going on. Anyway, I've got to take that thing apart, figure out what's going on. I think the auger has quit turning and it's not pushing my pellets through. So anyway, because the chamber was completely empty. So anyway, guys, that's what's going on. I had to cut my oven on to 400 degrees. I had to come inside on a beautiful day in Myrtle Beach and cook in the house. Can you believe it? Jeez. So anyway, guys, 400 degree oven, had them in here. They've been in here about 40, 45 minutes. But I'm gonna tell you something. When the missus got home from work today and she walked through that door, she said, "Oh, that smells so good." So guys, I got a check mark on the attaboy list. That's right, she knew supper had been cooked, she knew it was smelling good. Hey, I got a thumbs up from the sweetie. So anyway, here it is. We're gonna put this over here. Let's just take one. Woo, that's on the warm side. All right, guys, here it is. I just want you to see what it looks like when we unwrap it. We're gonna let them sit here and rest in the tinfoil. So we'll let them sit here. We're gonna let them rest in this tinfoil for about 20 minutes. But anyway, I just wanted to open this up so you can see what it looks like. There you go. If you wanted to, hey, you could put some little baby carrots in there. You could add some more onions, whatever you wanted to do, kind of make it like a pot roast. But hey, this is just a hamburger meat, seasoned, salt and pepper. Put a little potato on there, more mustard, onion, little more mustard, more potato, more mustard, then onion, wrapped it in that tinfoil, stuck it in there 400 degrees for 45 minutes. She is done. Guys, hang around. We'll let them rest for a few minutes and we'll go give them a taste test. Woo! Hey, sometimes things happen and you make mistakes. Sometimes things don't work. But hey, if there's a will, there's a way. So we just brought it inside. Hang around. We're gonna give it a taste test. All right, guys, we have let them rest for about 15 minutes. There it is. There's the onion. There's the potato. More onion, more potato. Then there's the hamburger. Guys, let's give this a cut. Look how tender that. Oh man, that potato is so tender. The onion's just falling apart. That meat is perfectly done. Look at that right there. Guys. Get a little piece of onion. A little bit of potato. A little bit of that meat. Let's give her a, whoo, look, it's still steaming. Let's give her a taste right quick. Mmm. Guys, that is unbelievable. I'm telling you, doesn't need any more salt, any more pepper. Potatoes are done, onions perfect. Right amount of mustard. Guys, I'm telling you, you need to try it. Man, that's delicious. Guys, you gotta give it a try. I know that Bo's gonna love it. You will too. It was just real simple, real quick. Didn't take a lot of prep time, didn't take a lot of work. Guys, I'm telling you, it can be simple. We made the hamburger patties last night, after supper last night. So the only thing we had to do was come home today, just slice up the potatoes, slice up the onions, put put it all together and throw it on the pit boss. It didn't take long at all. Once we got on the pit boss, you know what happened? You saw me a while ago, had to throw it in the oven. Hey, you can cook it anywhere. 400 degrees, no big deal. Guys, I just want you to know that Sandy, Bo, and I love you very much, but more importantly, we want you to know that God loves you, without a doubt. So guys, if you hadn't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that little bell, so you don't miss out on anything we got coming to you. Until next time, now you're cooking, no coffee needed style.